What's your last name, Brooke?
Castillo.
Justillo?
Castillo.
That's Italian.
It's Hispanic, it's Mexican.
Is it?
It is.
Oh, well, I took a shot. There were many vowels.
Bigger fish to fry.
Tell me about your position at Groundworks, how long you've had it, and what exactly you're responsible for.
Sure. So my title right now, my position, I'm the region manager. And so I started in the company as an operations manager and became a general manager and became a region manager within 3 years. And the growth has been unbelievable.
Well, I've been familiar with what you guys have been doing, but I've talked to dozens with high school, some have college, but by and large, they're on the foreman track in like 9 months or a year.
Yep.
And then it's 6 figures.
Yep.
And they're killing it.
Absolutely.
Explain to me how I can be making 6 figures with no experience.
Yeah.
What's that path realistically look like for me?
The scenario you laid out, we hear all the time when we're doing interviews. That story is common. And so the path that we lay out for folks is you start with us, and within 3 to 6 months, you can work your way to being a co-foreman, kind of the middleman on the crew. Give it another 3 to 6 months after that, you can work your way up to being a foreman. And again, we provide all of the training, the certifications that go along with that. We provide that in-house. So within a year time frame, you can be making 6 figures very easily, just like you said.
Where do they go? How do they apply?
Yeah, the opportunities are everywhere. We're growing so quickly. We've been growing for years. We're in over 30 states. Somebody might need to correct me on that. How many states we're in?
30 states, Sheriel? 33?
But they can go online to our website, so groundworks.com, and there's some career options available on there.
Yeah.
And we're in multiple states, so there's opportunity everywhere.
That's a good place to land a plane. There's opportunity everywhere. Underground as well. Thanks.
Yeah,
You're
thank
awesome.
you.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.